everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Imo Furai, deep fried potatoes like korokke, tonkatsu, those kind of deep fried food coated with breadcrumbs. My mom suggested me to make it and my kids loved it. It's simple yet delicious. You must try this out. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wash potatoes. Cook from water for about 20 minutes until soft. Peel the potatoes, or with the skin is okay, if the skin is soft and fresh and you wanted to eat it. Our potatoes are really fresh, so I didn't want to peel them. Cut into bite-sized chunks. You can thread the potatoes on the skewers if you like. Mix flour and water. Adjust the texture until it becomes smooth like yogurt. Dip the potatoes, then coat with panko breadcrumbs. Deep fry until golden brown. You can dip in sauce or drizzle with sauce to eat. And now it's done! It's simple yet delicious. You must try it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu. おいしい。めっちゃおいしい。これもめっちゃおいしい。まだいっぱいある。
まだいっぱいあるでしょ、そこに。
ほら。
ほら。
先生に言わないとね。美味しいって。
ね。